Hello, beautiful souls, divine beings. Welcome in this lovely space with me. Today I have for you a channeled message guided by Oracle. And the Oracle that came out today is Fruitful. And the message that comes through with this is align. When you allow yourself to be aligned, when you allow yourself to be aligned with what you truly are, your essence expands into fruitfulness. There is an unlimited fertility, growth, prosperity, abundance present in your true nature, in your true essence. Fruitful is what you truly are. Fruitful is your true nature. It is the expansion in the experience of what you truly are. When you tap into your true nature, you start to experience the abundance of what you truly are. The abundance of what you truly are spirals up and spirals down. It goes into Mother Earth. It goes all the way up to Source. But the center, the essence of it, is you. It's your fruitfulness. It's your consciousness of what you truly are. It's your consciousness that in each and every moment you are creating. You are creating in each and every moment the fruits that you are about to reap. Be conscious of that. Align with Source. Align with Mother Earth. Align with what you truly are and experience the expansion of every seed you have ever planted. Allow them to grow, allow them to bloom, allow them to blossom, allow them to bring to you the rewards, allow them to bring to you the fruits of what you have once sowed. Align yourself with your true nature and experience the abundance, the prosperity, the wealth, the fruits of your true nature. So I'm sending lots of love, lots of light, lots of peace and blessings for each and every one.